Hello friends, in this video I show you how to set contact image on iPhone. Okay, let's see friends, I show you. First friends, you choose any contact. I choose here my other number. And you see here have option edit. Click here. Click here, add photo. And click here. And here friends, photo gallery open ready. So here you can choose any picture. So I choose here this picture. And here also you can change picture effects. I choose this one and click here done. Then click here continue. And you see here have option crop. Click here crop and you can adjust here your picture. And click here choose. Here also you can change effect your picture. Then click here done. And click to continue. And click here. So contact image friends set ready. So now I call my other number to this number. And you see here that picture show on screen. So friends, this video is useful for everyone. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.